Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Add 2 eggs to a bowl with 1 pound or 450 grams of ground beef. Now, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now, mix everything until it's well combined. You want to make sure all those spices get evenly distributed in the meat. Then add 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix again. Today, we're going to make a truly delicious dish that's perfect for any occasion. Next, in a frying pan, melt 1/4 of a stick or 30 grams of butter. Please tell me where you're watching from, which country, state, or city. I love seeing photos of your cities, and I really enjoy how you connect and talk to each other in the comments. Once it's melted, finely chop 1 onion. As you chop the onion, think about how simple ingredients like this can bring so much flavor to a dish. Try to make the pieces small and even. The smaller the pieces, the more evenly they'll cook, and that's the secret to making your dish truly delicious. If something is unclear in the recipe, just leave a comment, and I'll answer as soon as possible. Add it to the pan. Let it cook for a few minutes until it softens and becomes golden. Now, grate 1 carrot. As you grate the carrot, you might remember the warmth of family dinners, the simple, comforting dishes that were always made with love. Liking this video would be appreciated. It's a great way to show your support. Add it to the pan with the onions. Give everything a good stir. After a few minutes, add a little olive oil to help things fry evenly. Friends, if you enjoy what you see, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for similar recipes in the future. Once the veggies have softened, remove the pan from the heat. Add them to the ground beef. Stir well so that everything is evenly mixed. Now, finely chop a bunch of parsley. Parsley always reminds me of those simple, comforting meals where every little touch counts. As you chop, take a moment to appreciate how this small ingredient can make such a big difference in the final dish. Add it to the beef mixture. Then, finely chop 3 to 4 garlic cloves. add them to the mix as well. This will add that delicious punch of garlic flavor we all love. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 20 to 30 minutes to allow the meat to fully absorb the flavors. Next, heat some olive oil in a frying pan. Cut 3 to 4 large potatoes into circles. Carefully add the potato slices to the pan. Fry a little bit. Then season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of dried garlic. Fry the potatoes, stirring constantly until they become golden and crispy. Once the potatoes are perfectly crispy, remove them from the heat. Now, take a baking dish and place the potatoes in it, spreading them evenly. Now, cut large tomatoes into rings. Place them on top of the potatoes. Their juiciness and freshness will complement the richness of the other ingredients perfectly. Next, chop 1 red bell pepper. Place it on top of the tomatoes. The color and flavor of the bell pepper really brighten everything up. Then heat some olive oil in a frying pan. Take the beef mixture from the fridge. Peel off the plastic wrap. Form small oblong patties with your hands. Take your time with this step. There's something truly comforting about shaping them by hand. It always brings back memories of cooking with family, especially the way my grandmother used to do it. She gently pressed the meat together, making sure each patty was perfectly shaped. Fry the patties on both sides for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once they're perfectly crispy, place them in the baking dish on top of the veggies. Grate 5 ounces or 150 grams of cheddar cheese. Sprinkle it generously over the patties. The cheese will melt beautifully as it bakes, giving it that creamy texture we all love. Place it in the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and let it bake for 30 minutes. While our dish bakes, let's make the salad. Take half of a small cabbage. Finely chop it. Add it to a bowl. Then finely chop 6 pineapple rounds. Pineapple brings such a refreshing sweetness to this salad, making it a great contrast to the richness of the main dish. Add those to the bowl as well. Next, slice 1 cucumber into half rings. Add that to the bowl. Then, finely chop 1 green pepper. Add it in. For the dressing, in a separate bowl, mix 4 ounces or 120 grams of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir it all together until smooth. Then add our dressing to the salad and mix all ingredients thoroughly. Once the baking time is up, take our patties and vegetables out of the oven. Place them on a plate. Add a nice helping of the fresh salad on the side. Now it's time to taste. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking!